The GENIANI XXL electric heating pad offers a generously sized surface that comfortably covers the lower back or abdomen, making it especially useful for managing chronic aches and menstrual cramps. Its microplush fabric feels exceptionally soft against the skin, so it works well as both a therapeutic pad and a cozy throw when you are relaxing on the couch or in bed. Multiple heat settings let you fine-tune the warmth from gentle to more intense, which helps different users find a level that feels soothing without becoming overwhelming. The pad heats up quickly and distributes warmth evenly across the entire area, so you are not dealing with distracting cold spots while trying to relax tight muscles. An automatic shut-off function adds an extra layer of safety and peace of mind, particularly if you tend to doze off while using it for evening comfort. The removable controller and machine washable design make regular cleaning straightforward, helping the pad stay fresh and comfortable for long-term daily use.